In a bright little cottage near Lavender Forest lived 7 cheerful little pigs and their loving Mama Pig. Before heading to the market, Mama Pig reminded them to stay inside and be careful of the tricky, but not mean, forest wolf. The little pigs promised to be safe and locked the cottage door with a tiny wooden click. A moment later came a knock, knock, knock. "Little pigs." "It's Mama," called a scratchy voice. "That doesn't sound like Mama," Penny whispered. Pax peeked through a tiny hole and spotted the wolf. The wolf sighed when they didn't open the door and wandered off, thinking of a new plan. Soon he returned wearing a floppy hat and holding wildflowers. "A gift for you," he called sweetly. "That's not Mama's smell," Puppy said. "Mama smells like cinnamon buns." The wolf drooped again. He wasn't scary, just lonely. No one ever invited him to play. Pipkin felt bad. "Maybe he just needs a friend," he whispered to his brothers and sisters. Together, the 7 little pigs stepped outside and called, "Mr. Wolf, want to play with us?" "You want to play with me?" the wolf asked with wide, happy eyes. They played a silly game of tag. 7 clever pigs and 1 fluffy, clumsy wolf. When Mama Pig came home, she was surprised to see them all playing together. "I'll never trick them again," said the wolf. "They've shown me what true friends do." That night the little pigs cuddled into bed, happy and safe after a day full of kindness and new friendship.